Hey guys, you're watching Spice Tech Reviews, and today we're going to be unboxing and doing a first impression video on the Kindle 10th generation. So let's start with the unboxing. So we're going to be unboxing the Kindle 10th generation now. So let's do it. So the seal is opened. Now let's just open this. Put it out. So it's a very good packaging with the Kindle logo with the glossy finish. Now this is the Kindle itself. I'm going to be opening that later. That's some paperwork, and they've also given us a USB type A to micro USB cable. That is really good. Now we're going to be opening this. Taking it out of here. So that looks really good, and it is really slim and lightweight. So I'm now going to be testing this for a while and then going to let you know about the first impressions. So I have done a thorough testing of the Kindle and I've come to you with some amazing first impressions. So what I've noticed is that first of all, this Kindle is much faster than the previous generations. I've noticed that the pages scroll much faster and the UI is also very responsive. So secondly, I also want to talk about the software. So the software that is loaded on this Kindle is very user friendly. This is an updated software. So when I received the Kindle, there was an older software installed and it got updated when I connected to Wi-Fi. And the new software is very user friendly and you can access everything on your fingertips. So the overall design is very comfortable. The Kindle is lightweight and it has a very premium finish, as you can very well see. The bezels here are also quite slim, so it looks very modern. Next, I would like to talk about the battery life. So the battery life is very good. The battery holds the charge amazingly well, and I can use the Kindle continuously days and days without even charging it once. So also in the specifications, I have noticed that Amazon has increased the backlight for the Kindle, and I have also personally tested it, and I found out that even in direct sunlight here in India, the screen is clearly visible. So the Kindle store is very convenient to use and it is user friendly. Also, I have noticed in the Kindle store there are 4 categories of books. I'm talking about this for India because it may vary from country to country. So the first category is the books that are available for free and you do not require any subscription to purchase them. Second, the books that are covered under Prime Reading, which means if you have an Amazon Prime subscription, so you can read those books in that subscription. Third, the books that are covered under Kindle Unlimited subscription, which means that if you purchase a Kindle Unlimited subscription, then you can read those books. This includes most of the books in Kindle store. Fourth and the last category are the books that are not covered under any subscription and have to be purchased separately. So I have also observed a new feature in this Kindle 10th generation. That is, if you're reading a book and it has a cover, so you can display that cover on the lock screen when your Kindle is in sleep mode and it is turned off. So if that cover is displayed and your Kindle is kept aside, it makes it feel as if you're reading an actual book. So I also noticed a con in the Kindle, which is that it uses a micro USB port instead of a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Now the micro USB port is nowadays considered old, and the new standard for electronic devices and gadgets is the USB Type-C. So that is the only con that I have observed. Otherwise, I think the Kindle is a great buy for rupees 8,000 in India. Thank you for watching Spice Tech. I hope you enjoyed this video.